Hello, Year 1. Miss Simon's here today to talk you through your science activity. Now, last week we started learning about materials and we learned that an object is made of a material, and we started to learn some of the names of those common materials. So this week we're going to take a little step further into our learning and find out where those materials come from. Our vocabulary today, our special words. Now, the first word is source. Can you say that word? Source. Source. And it's not like the sauce we put on our chips. So this source is where the material comes from. So the source of wood is trees. So it's where it originates from, where it comes from. Our second word is natural. Natural. Can you say that word? Natural. Natural things are found in nature and not made by people. Wood is a natural material because it comes from trees. The last word is man-made. Man-made. Can you say that word? Man-made. Man-made things are created by people. So plastic is a man-made material. So show me 3 fingers. There are 3 special words today. Source, where a material comes from. Natural. So wood is natural because it comes from trees. It's not made by people. And man-made. So things that are made by people. So, on your screen, can you see some wood? Yes, it says wood is a useful, natural material. What did natural mean? Well done. It means that it's not made by people. It comes from trees. Wood is used to make many objects, including buildings, boats, and furniture. So we learnt about Noah's Ark earlier this year, and Noah made his boat out of wood. I can see some metal now. There are many different types of metal. Metal is dug out of the ground from inside rocks. We heat the rocks to take out the metal. So that first picture looks a bit like lava. It says hot melted metal, which is called molten metal, being poured to make different materials. Stainless steel is another type of metal made from iron, copper and gold, all different types of metals. Wool. Wool comes from animals called sheep. It has to be spun and then dyed. It can be used to make things like a woolly hat or a blanket. So the source of wool, is that natural or man-made? See, that's a tricky one, isn't it? You're right, though. It is natural. It comes from an animal. That is a natural thing. But how we then turn that material into wool, it becomes man-made because we have to spin it and then dye it. Plastic. So plastics are always man-made. People have learned to make them out of other materials like oil. Plastic can be made into all sorts of shapes when it is heated. So can you see the pictures? The first one, it says black sticky oil from under the ground. And then somebody's holding little beads. It says plastic made from oil. I can see some Lego. Thumbs up who likes playing with Lego. So your Lego is made from plastic. Plastic is used to make many things. Can you think of any other things that it makes? Some great ideas. Well done. Good thinking. So I can see some bottles, your water bottles that you drink out of. Our bags, our carrier bags that we take to the shops are made of plastic too. Well done. Next, we would like you to go and watch a video called called How to Identify, so find, materials. This video is found on BBC Bitesize, and you can find the link in the description below this video. Go and watch the video, see what interesting facts you can find out, and then come and meet us back here in a minute. Welcome back, Year 1. I hope you've got some interesting facts stored up in your head, ready to help you with your learning. Now, because we've learned a lot today, and there's been lots of information that we had to process, we've had our new words, we've learned where the source of our material comes from. What we thought we'd do, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures at the bottom of the screen. So first of all, have a look. Do you know what each of those pictures are? Well done. Now your activity then, can you see there are lots of different objects at the bottom of your screen? Do you know what those objects are? Well done. So we've got some stones, a newspaper, sand, a cardboard box, and a button. Now, before we do anything, I just want you to have a think. What material are they all made from? So remember, today we were thinking about the source of materials, how we make them, okay? And we've got 2 circles above those pictures. One of those circles, the one on the left, says man-made. Can you put your finger on that one for me? Good job, man-made. And remember, if something's man-made, it has been made by people. It isn't made naturally, it's been made, okay? Now the other circle says natural. Can you put your finger on that one for me? Natural, well done. And remember, if something's natural, it hasn't been made by people, the material occurs naturally. So your job is to sort these objects based on the source of their material. So what are they all made of? Are those materials man-made or natural? Record your findings on a piece of paper. You can draw your 2 circles, write man-made and natural, and draw your objects into the right circles. Good luck. We hope you enjoy your activity, and we'll see you back here tomorrow for our second science lesson of the week. Bye.